All right, that Arctic air is in place. Last night we saw temps drop into the teens below zero. Tonight, it looks like a similar story for us as skies are partly cloudy, becoming more clear as we head into the rest of the evening. Lake effect snow will be mostly confined to right here along northern Illinois and northern Indiana. For us, maybe a few clouds off of that and just a slight chance of flurries, but that will begin to end as we head into the night. High pressure is going to take control and really cool us off as we head into the rest of the night. Current conditions, 5 degrees, north-northeast winds at 8 miles per hour. A few clouds out there, but those should really begin to break apart as we head into the rest of the night. Your current temperatures across the UP, 5 degrees in Marquette, but seeing similar conditions as you go off to the west. Let's go ahead and take a look at those temps for you as we are currently at 8 degrees as you go farther south here. Oh, actually 9 degrees in Florence, 2 degrees in Ontonagon, 3 in Ironwood, and more the middle single digits in Houghton at 4 off to the east. More of the same things for us. 6 degrees in Munising, 10. So lower teens in Escanaba, and at Ishpeming, we are at 5. Just totally brutal cold out there. Winds coming in from the northwest, 17 in Houghton, 12 in Iron Mountain, and at 6 in Escanaba. So winds are going to lighten up for us as we head throughout the night. Expecting those to drop below 5 miles per hour, and temperatures statewide more of the single digits as you go farther south in the northern portions of lower Michigan, and farther south they're seeing more of the lower teens. But hey, guess what? Wind chills, they're not as bad for us right now. We don't have a wind chill advisory in effect. We're just barely below zero at 8 below in Marquette, 7 below in Iron Mountain, and 14 below in Ironwood. But expect those to really warm up over the next couple of days because milder air is on the way. There is going to be some hope for us as we head into the weekend and on into the beginning of next work week. But clear and cold for us tonight, starting to mild up a bit as we head into Friday afternoon, as we'll see a lot of sunshine on the way for us. And then getting closer to normal heading into the Saturday, Sunday time frame, and even as we go into Monday, Tuesday, and maybe even Wednesday, with temps looking to top off in the 20s. Here's a look at our setup. High pressure still keeping us frigid. Very slight chance of that snow does start to push out of here as we head throughout the afternoon or throughout the evening tonight, and tomorrow nothing but sun, but also pretty chilly out there with temps topping off in the mid to upper teens. Here's a look at your Futurecast model. Mostly clear throughout the overnight. That will allow frigid conditions to take hold. But then as we head into Friday, sun comes out. We'll see more of that before we head into the weekend. It looks like clouds do begin to rebuild in front of a very weak feature that comes through heading into Saturday night and Sunday, and that's going to bring us some very light snow. But after that, temps cooling off slightly for us, maybe closer to the lower 20s as opposed to the mid and upper 20s that we'll see going into the weekend. 13 below for your overnight temperature tonight. Another quiet and cool evening. Winds are going to be light for us, and then as we head into Friday, mostly sunny, west winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. But take a look at your highs. 12 degrees in Lawrence, 15 in Ontonagon, at 18 upper teens in Florence, 15 for us in Marquette, and we'll call for 18 in Munising. But as I mentioned before, no wind chill advisories in effect for tomorrow morning, so you'll just have to deal with the bitterly cold air, which is going to be at 13 degrees below zero, mostly clear, and we're going to see that temperature warm up as we head into the afternoon because we'll top off at 15 degrees into Friday. Your 7-day forecast also shows the weekend really heating up for us as we'll be back in the 20s on Saturday and Sunday, seeing some light snow starting to push through, but it looks like Saturday is going to be the best day of the week for us, and how appropriately it's slow as we will be ending the week on that day. Monday, seeing more of the 20s with temps in at 23 for us also on Tuesday with light snow, and then seeing more of that cooler air push back in. Not quite as brutal though, only dropping off into the upper and lower teens.